Each of w, x, y, z are integers. If w plus x is 45, x plus y is 51, y plus z is 28, what is the value of w plus z? All right, well, from this guy, I will isolate for x, and that gives me 45 minus w. And let's see what else I can do here. They want w plus z, right? So I think I'll get y in terms of z from this one here. Y would be 28 minus z. And then therefore x plus y equals x plus y equals 51. I can substitute that, so that'd be 45 minus w. And then for y, I'll substitute that, which would be 28 minus z is 51. So 45 plus 28 minus 51 is equal to w plus z. And when you do that math, 45 plus 28 minus 51 is 22. So number 17, the answer is B. If x and y are positive integers with x, y equal to 6, the sum of all possible values of 2 over x plus y over 2 to the power of x minus y. 2 to the power of x plus y over 2 to the power of x minus y. Let's simplify this. 2 to the power of x plus y minus x minus y. So that's going to be 2 to the power of x plus y minus x plus y. And the x's cancel, so you just get 2 to the power of 2y. Now let's look at x times y is equal to 6. Let's make a little table for ourselves. Okay, they're integers, so the only possibilities are 6 and 1, 3 and 2, 2 and 3, and 1 and 6. And I've got to figure out that for each of those. So 2 to the 2y when y is 6 would be 2 to the 12. 2 to the 2y when y is 3 would be 2 to the 6. When y is 2 would be 2 to the 4. When y is 1 would be 2 squared. And we are asked to add them. So let's do that. When you add them, this is 4096, this is 64, this is 16, and this is 4. That total sum is 4180. Number 19, the answer is A. Suppose that x and y satisfy x minus y over x plus y is 9 and xy over x plus y is negative 60. The value of x plus y plus x minus y plus xy is. All right, so this is a bunch of algebraic manipulation. From the first one, we get x minus y is equal to 9 times x plus y. From the second one, we get xy is equal to minus 60 times x plus y. So we can substitute that into there. X plus y plus x minus y, which is this guy, 9 times x plus y, plus xy, which is equal to this, minus 60 x plus y. And this is basically equal to minus 50 x plus y. All right, well, we don't know what x plus y is equal to, so we've got to come up with another way of manipulating the algebra. Well, some of you know, hopefully most of you, that x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. X minus y squared is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So if we were to subtract these, we get x plus y squared minus x minus y squared is equal to 4xy. All right, well, we can substitute these findings now. X plus y squared, we can leave that alone for now. Minus x minus y squared, that's this guy. So 9 times x plus y, all squared. And then 4 times xy. Xy is this right here. So minus 60 x plus y. Okay, so this becomes x plus y squared minus 81x plus y squared is equal to minus 240x plus y. This becomes minus 80x plus y squared minus 240x plus y. Put the numbers on one side and put the variables on the other side. And when you do, you'll notice that the x plus y cancels. So you just get x plus y is equal to 3. And therefore, since x plus y is 3, we can substitute it back into here. And the answer, therefore, is 150 for this expression. So number 18, the answer is B. Which of the following expressions is not equivalent to 3x plus 6? Well, let's do each one. This is 3x plus 6. This, if you divide through by negative 3, it looks like 3x plus 6. This one is x plus 6. Okay, well, let's see. This one is 3x plus 6, and so is this one. Therefore, number 16 is C. Diagram, the perimeter of the rectangle is 56. What is its area? That's x minus 2. That's x plus 4. So the perimeter is 2 times x minus 2 plus 2 times x plus 4, right? And they tell you that perimeter is 56. So this gives me expanding 2x minus 4 plus 2x plus 8. And collecting like terms, this will be 56 is equal to 4x plus 4. Therefore, 4x is equal to 52. And therefore, x is equal to 13. But they don't want you to figure out x. They want you to figure out the area. The area of this rectangle will be x minus 2 times x plus 4. Right? Length times width. And since x is 13, that's going to be 13 minus 2 times 13 plus 4. And that looks like 11 times 17. And 11 times 17 is 187. So number 12, the answer is B. The list PQRS consists of 4 consecutive integers listed in increasing order. If P plus S is 109, the value of Q plus R is PQRS, consecutive. So x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. And then P plus S, so that would be x plus 3, which is 2x plus 3, is equal to 109. And they want you to figure out Q plus R. Q plus R is x plus 1 plus x plus 2. So that's going to be 2x plus 3. Oh, that's the same. So therefore, that's 109 also. Okay. Number 13, the answer is B. Rosie is saving money. She has $120 in her account today and will begin saving by making $30 deposits into her account. If she makes M such deposits, the expression that best represents the number of dollars in her account is. She starts with 120 and she's making $30 deposits, but she's making M of those. So that's the expression. So for example, if she makes 5 $30 deposits, it would be $30, $30, $30, $30, $30, right? In that kind of way. But instead of writing it like that, you could also write it as 30 times 5. So that's all this is asking. Number 17, that is E. If x is equal to negative 3, which of the following expressions has the smallest value? All right, let's plug away here. So minus 3 squared minus 3, the first one. And that looks like 9 minus 3, which is 6. Next one, minus 3 all squared minus 6 all squared is 36. Minus 3 all squared, that's 9. Minus 3 plus 3 all squared, that looks like 0 squared, which is 0. Minus 3 squared plus 3 is 9 plus 3, which is 12. And of these numbers, the smallest is 0, and therefore the answer is D. The number n is doubled and then has y added to it. The result is then divided by 2 and has the original number n subtracted from it. The final result is, we have a number n, and originally that number is going to be doubled. And then y is added to that number. And then this result is divided by 2 and has the original number n subtracted from it. So now we have to subtract n. And this is what they want us to figure out which one of those answer choices looks like that, or equals that, I should say. Well, the first thing is just to make this into a fraction. So multiply top and bottom by 2. And this becomes 2n plus y minus 2n all over 2. Well, the 2 n's cancel, and all you're left with is just y over 2. So number 18, the answer is E. Nick charges $7 for travel costs and then $10 per hour for babysitting. Which expression always represents the number of dollars that Nick charges for y hours of babysitting? Well, there's a flat rate of $7 that never changes, and then $10 times the hours that he works. So 7 plus 10y. And of all the answer choices, the one that matches that is choice A.